Well, good morning / afternoon traders. This is Jerremy Alexander Newsome with Real Life Trading. I am presenting from the home of real life trader Brian Bodie, staring at his gorgeous view, beautiful pool outside, lawn chairs, nice grill to my left. It's about 9:21 over here on the West Coast, so it's a little early. Trading floor starts in 40 minutes, 39 minutes actually. So it's just interesting being out on the West Coast again. Flights got delayed. I haven't slept yet, theoretically. I was in the Denver airport last night / this morning because flight got delayed, missed a connection, whatever. So yeah, I spent the night in the airport. Anyway, let's check out the markets, shall we? Starbucks, that was the first thing that loaded. Looks decent. Really, on Starbucks, we trade to a really solid target of 54.32. So if you are in the Starbucks trade from what we discussed back on the 10th of June, so on the 10th of June, which is this white candle, mentions closing at an all-time high, buy the bounce around 52.40. Where was 52.40? It was the next day. So 52.40 pullback, bounce off the 10, trades to a target. That's a solid risk reward, guys. A little bit of boom, a little bit of pow. So good stuff. A nice little 1 and 2. If you're in the trade, I would go ahead and take the stop up again, move it to about 53.35 and see what happens from there. Apple, nice little white candle today on Apple, bouncing cleanly off the 100 simple moving average. Truly, guys, I have no problem with Apple bouncing here. Very happy for Ron McKee. I know he's got a few shares of Apple. Joe Myers and Elion, a few others. Brian Bodie got some shares. He just told me he did a 132 July covered call, which obviously if he gets exercise for that, he'll make a profit. You know, as of right now, again, looks like a much better double bottom off the 100 simple moving average. Probably a small pullback and then a bounce to come in, and looking to go probably a little bit bullish on Apple. But right now, truthfully, we're in a, what would you call this? An ascending triangle. So you got relative highs, you got higher lows. We'll probably trade like this until earnings, and then earnings will either gap up or gap out down of this triangle, and we'll just see what happens. But as of right now, just chilling, sitting pretty on Apple, not doing really all that much. Facebook right now is hitting some home runs, aka Babe Ruth's, aka over the wall green monster, Fenway Park. Great volume increase on Facebook. We had an incredible gap on the 22nd. Justin Lindemann really just scorched this trade with some calls that he had on that. So Justin, great trade, my good friend. Facebook, there was an article on Yahoo the other day that Facebook's stock valuation is now more than Walmart. Yes, more than Walmart. Can you imagine that? So Facebook, my goal is, my thought, still expecting Facebook at some point to reach some triple digits. Guys, this is a confirmed breakout. It's probably going to be, however, very similar to this price action back here. What I mean by that is we'll run up another day or two, and then probably start doing some of this, yada. Earnings comes out, and then we probably bounce again. It'll look something to that extent. That's just a guess that I have, of course. But I am and have always been bullish to neutral on Facebook. So just kind of sitting pretty, letting it do its thing. Here's the DIA, which is the ETF for the Dow Jones. And it's down slightly today, not doing much, more or less just trading sideways. Not really a big shocker there. SPY, same type of thing. And the QQQs, still have a little bit of a trigger on the Qs. If we close above 111.31, I'm more bullish than bearish. Updating you guys on 2 other trades that I'm in. Amazon, down slightly today. Just, again, a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a retest. My friend Troy Beinhauer is in a 432.50, 430 bull put spread expiring this week. So Tesla Amazon, so just kind of waiting to see if it does in fact close above 446.73, and if it does, I will be, in my personal opinion, a little bit more bullish than bearish. But I don't mind today's pullback on either Tesla or Amazon. I'm just kind of viewing this as a slight retest, a little bit of a slowdown probably today, tomorrow, and then likely a continuation higher Friday or sometime next week on both of those tech giants. Students from around the world, hope you enjoyed this Wednesday real-life stock review. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me anytime, jeremy@reallifetrading.com. I will see you guys Friday, and until then, remember, love life, live life, and trade it. Hope to see you guys in Valencia on Friday from my traders in California. See ya.